ofisi y'enganzi y'ihanga ebasize kwimukira mu yahereza district ya Rukungiri byo kurya ebiri mu buhunga 20 hamwe na n'ibihimba 10 ebirahwereho abantu abasisikarirwe bihingwa byabo. Steven Nsubuga RDC wa Rukungiri kando yakire byo kurya ebi ashoborira kubiragabwe
tuhanti umuntu ategera nga bamwandika kuri stinga kitufu yakuba omuzira. Okay, asobola okufuna emmere n'agitunda. Taso sikiwa naye bajje bali nze bagamba nti emmere yakola ki yakulya si yakutunda. Okay, bobo tunzo oba munyine obakoze ki werumiza kuba yagala kantundeko ndoza ayinza kuba yagala kutunda agenda afunye ekijanjalo n'ekijanjalo wekiri
ko rero mangu tore handikise akuba hakaza mu team yaba LC1 extension workers amagomborora baza mu kuhandika abantu abati borubari. So ebintu ebintu biza kutungwa abantu abahandikire.
Hilary Agaba uryo muhwezi wa disabwa district ya Rukungiri nagira ngo bakahandikira office ya Prime Minister ngo kandi gomboro ziri kuza kutunga emereji harimo buhunga Nyakajeme Buyanja Nyacenyi hamwe na Rukungiri municipality.
This food has come as a relief to the people who are affected by the hailstorm. You are aware, previously some months, Rukungiri was affected by the hailstorm, and we wrote to the office of the Prime Minister requesting for relief to come and help our communities that have been affected.
Abatirwo rubari kugira ngo no government rumuneza kubakwataraho konkani mwe mukoze samani mwijumbo mu program za government nka parish development model nehereze mbi babantu kugira ngo bakwatirwo rubare wagihinga nyensya nebasa kuja kukwataraho kugira ngo mwabone byo kurya mwabone uko murarebere families zanyu.
Omwaka ogwo Rukungiri teganisibwe munonga ihunga okukira munonga gombora ya buhunga hamwe na Buyanja amakuru agagasha kwa Dan basibye.